I'm looking for that song, man. I heard a song Barblee featuring. Hold on. If we try to say featuring, Dynasties. Babethi banaphi? Babethi banaphi chat? Babethi banaphi chat? Dynasties spells Dynasties. What the fuck? For real? I don't know babethi banaphi. I don't want Melindi, dog. Fuck. I don't want Melindi. Ithi nangoma ndiyithe chu endleleni yam banozongena. That's what I want. That's what I want, chat. I'm looking for that song. No. Lizzy. Oh fuck, it's not Dynasties. Oh my god, bruh. Oh my god. It's the Lizzy, bruh. Oh my god, I feel so bad. I feel so bad, chat. What the fuck? It's fucking Lizzy, chat. What the fuck, chat? Oh my god, I feel so bad right now. Oh my god, I feel so bad. It's Lizzy.
Stay Soft with 100 Days of
Oh my god, nobody gives a fuck about Stay Soft, nigga. Nobody cares, bro. What the fuck? Shut the fuck up. Oh my days, I feel so bad. Hold on. My nose on game. This shit right here, chat. This shit. That shit is fire, chat. That shit is bonkers. Whoever is doing those, that shit is crazy. Oh my god, that shit, whoever's doing that is crazy. Whoever is doing that is going bonkers.
Basolinganisa Techbos Kerimiti Kanikaban Boyo Pedicity Haibakesa Eltafina Mefa Ogun Keswa Pimpos Haina Pepa Funi Yesanteto Can you pay? Detective Entity Yam Bonasonkin Detective Entity Yam Bonasonkin Detective Entity Yam Bonasonkin what? Don't know them I walk away standing. I want to stroke a philander. If you never die, sister, you never do one to tell a pass. That's the young kitty sound. That is like a short time. I'm a painting on next stress.
Foco, Lilo, Beturanum, Jada.
Take up a finishing game.
Oh, Beturanum, Jada.
When I talk about just a pass, when I lie, as your legs, we company house, we are painting in a pet. I would not care. It's a tornado enemy. That's why I'm with the best in me. But Satan, I'm kind of energy. Pure pedigree.
Petunani. Wow.
Detective, entity, yeah, but that's okay. Detective, entity, yeah, but that's okay. Detective, entity, yeah, but that's okay.
Oh, tonight I'm done. I love what Lizzy did here, Chad. I thought it was Dynasties. I won't lie. I thought it was Dynasties. I love what Lizzy did here. I love what she did here. I won't lie. Yo, shout out to Dynasties one time. Shout out to Barblee, Matambu. I love this song, man. I love this song. Shout out.